Hello guys, I'm Alex Michael by name and welcome to my channel. This gel case fashion, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to how to fix your front pocket. So follow me as I explain. First thing first, you pick your tape. You measure 2 inches. That's from the 2 inches from the English mouth. You notch you notch it you notch it. Then you pick up your gum, this canvas gum. You cut it into two. That is, cut it like this. You pick your tip, you measure 2.5 inch, and you cut it up to 9 inch. You place this and still cut another one. You still cut another one, which is for the zip side. That one is 3 inches. You cut it straight right to 10 inches. So now put this one here. You bring your front part of your trouser. You pick this one, you place it like this. There's a notch here, which is the pocket notch. You place it on top and place it like this. Then you use your iron, and then you gum it. If you notice, the placing is not straight, it is slanty. Now it is slanty because your pocket is not straight, it's slanty. Do you understand? So now you turn it this way, like this. You still repeat the same thing. You place it like this. Now you open it like this. You stretch the material a little bit. Then you pick this one is for the zip. This one is not straight, it's a bit slanty. You understand? It's slanty too. Then you gum it. Why we are using this canvas gum to gum this key part is to help our work look smooth, not to be rumpled or piece. You understand? So now the next thing you do, you open it like this and you trim your canvas gum off. You understand? You trim it off. You trim it off like this. Then here is the same thing. You trim it off. Then you follow your notch. There's an initial notch here, and you remember we said 2 inch away from the English mouth, isn't it? Is it this 2 inch? So now you fold this one like this. Do you understand? You follow the notching, and where your notch stops, that's where the folding will stop too. See, like this. Use your cooler and follow it up like this. You pick the second part, you trim off the gum. Then you trim off this one too, and you also follow the notch just like this. You understand? The same thing, you bend it like this. Then this is your pocket flap. You understand? You stretch it, so you bend it like this. Do the second one the same thing. As for this trouser, your pocket should be 7.5. That's 15. Do you understand? If you bend it into two, fold it into two, it is 7.5. But if you open it wide, it is 15 by 14. Do you get? So now you pick your pocket flap. You understand? You place it like this, and then you sew it. Okay, you pick one side of this trouser and one side of your pocketing that correspond with this trouser. Now be careful with the way I placed this pocketing on top of, as in the material on top of the pocketing. Take note of distance between here and here, ½ inch. Do you understand? And take note of here, you see that it's equal. You get? So now what you do is you sew it. That's your front part. You join it with the pocketing. Do you understand? Then you notch it like this. You get? Then you open it like this, and then you sew it like this. Then you open it like this. Do you understand? Then you sew. Now be careful with this place. This is a place you need to pay keen attention to. Now make sure that here, that's the line didn't correspond. You understand? Then this edge, make sure it corresponds. So the first thing you do is you stitch here. If you are done stitching here, then you measure the distance from here to here, 2 inch. It should not pass 2 inch. You understand? Then you sew it like this. Then you sew your lining, your pocketing on. Then you now join this thing together. You're done with this side. should you stop. Now you place this in like this, but before then you trim up this thing, you make sure they are equal. You understand? So now you understand? Now you measure from here to here. This 9 inches, 9 inch. You get. Then you trim it off like this. This is called silk lining. You use it to line in your trouser. You pick one side of the trouser, one part of your trouser, the front part, that you place it like this, and sew it. You get. You turn this thing like this, So guys, thank you for watching my video, and do well to subscribe, comment, and share my content as well. I will see you in my next video. Thank you.